Let's start with the basics in Crestron Home. When you open the app, you'll be taken to the screen you were last on. This is the My Systems page. Great if you have multiple residences connected to Crestron Home. Let's select My Beach House and take a closer look. This is your home screen, an overview of everything happening in your home. At the top, you'll see general statuses, like doors that are open or unlocked. In this case, Garage 1 has an object in its path, and a gate is open. Underneath are your quick actions, customizable buttons that execute multiple commands with just a tap. For example, Good Night could turn off all your lights, lock your doors, and arm the alarm system. These quick actions can be tailored by your integrator to meet your unique desires. In the Home Control section, you'll find services that control the entire home. Tap directly on any service, like lights, music, security, or climate, to access it quickly. For example, tap on Climate, and you'll see all your thermostats for quick adjustments. Want to customize the look of your home screen? Tap the ellipses in the top corner to change the image of the page. You can either take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. Now, let's check on the Rooms page. Here, you can see all the rooms and outdoor environments in your home. This is the All Rooms view, but you can also filter by areas like first floor, second floor, or outside. Tap on a room to view its status and quick actions, like turning on lights or adjusting the temperature. Below, you'll see all of the room's controllable services, each of which can be controlled with a simple tap. You can go into further control of these services by tapping the top of the tile. Each of these services will be covered in its own video, so be sure to explore our full library of instructional videos for more in-depth guidance. And just like the home screen, you can also change the image of individual rooms by tapping the ellipses at the top. That's a quick look at the basics of Crestron Home. And no matter how you control your Crestron Home, phone, tablet, or touch panel, you'll always have the same familiar experience. For more tips, check out the Crestron Home Quick Start Guide.